So the first thing you want to do is to draw in your currents. I'm going to call the current in the left-hand branch I1. I've drawn it going up and to the right, just by convention from the battery. This one I'm going to call I2. And then from the ammeter, we know that 3 amps flows down through the middle. Now the signs, positive or negative signs, are determined by how you've drawn in your current. Current flows high to low, so that makes this resistor high on the left side, low on the right side. This resistor is high on the right side, low on the left side. This resistor is high on the top, low on the bottom. So we need a few equations. Let's start with the junction rule. Junction rule, if I stand up here at this junction, what currents are coming in towards me? From right here. Any of those currents pointing towards that junction?
Yes, I1 and I2.
I1 and I2 are, so that means I1 plus I2 has to equal the currents pointing away from me, which is 3 amps. So there's one equation. Now we have 3 possible loops. We only need a couple of them. Let's do the left-hand loop first. Let's start in the bottom left-hand corner and go up. As we go up, we're going from the negative to positive end of the battery, so we're going to see a gain of 9 volts. Next thing we come to is the 3 ohm resistor. We're passing to the right, so we're going to see a drop. The voltage across that resistor will be equal to I1 times its resistance, 3 ohms. Down through the middle, since we're going down through that resistor, we're going to see a drop. Its voltage is its current, which is 3 amps, times its resistance, which is 2 ohms. We go down through the ammeter back to where we started, so that has to equal 0. So we have 9 volts minus, this term is 6 volts, minus 3I1 is equal to 0. So 9 minus 6 is 3. Taking the other to the other side, we find that I1 is equal to 1 amp. We get a positive answer, which means we did draw it in the correct direction. That is the direction the current flows in. Questions on, are we okay to that point? If I1 is 1 amp, I2 has to be 2 amps. In order for them to add up to be 3. So I drew I2 in the correct direction as well, since I got a positive answer. The last one we want is the voltage of that right-hand battery. We can do either the right-hand loop or the whole loop, it doesn't matter. If we do the right-hand loop, let's start in the bottom and go up. We'll see a gain of whatever that voltage is. We pass through the 4.5 ohm resistor. We're going to the left, so it's going to be a drop since we're going positive to negative. Its voltage is the current flowing through it, which is I2 times its resistance, which is 4.5 ohms. Now we know I2. I2 is 2 amps. Coming down through the middle, we're going to see a drop. The voltage across that resistor is its current, which is 3 amps. Times its resistance, which is 2 ohms. That gets us back down to where we started. So this is 6. 2 times 4.5 is 9. EMF minus 9 minus 6 means that voltage needs to be 15 volts. You'd get the same answer if you did the outside loop as well, the whole perimeter of the whole circuit.